How to change language in Twitter. In order to change the language on Twitter or X, you could go to settings and privacy to actually change it. So open the Twitter app on your device and log into your account. On the next field, you want to click on the initials at the top left corner of your screen. Go to settings and support from the list. Click on settings and privacy. And here, you simply want to go ahead and locate accessibility from the list. Here it is. When you go to accessibility section, you'll then be able to see all these options. Underneath, you could find language. You click that out and you want to go ahead and click on show more in order to show more options available. You go ahead and make changes with the language accordingly. All you have to do is mark on the box right next to it and clap the next button. As you've done this, you will then be able to see that your changes or that you've successfully changed a language in Twitter. If this isn't available or if you're unable to see the changes, then you could refresh the app, completely close it, restart your device, and that's going to change it. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.